Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. What I'm doing is I'm taking apart a climbing safety piece of equipment. It's called a Dynabrake because I want to have a different length of a personal safety strap. That's the one I'm using right now, and it's about this is when I climb a ladder and strap onto like a tree, basically for my trimming the palm trees. So that one's about, I don't know what, 5 feet. Let me get a tape. Excuse my camera work. Excellent, shoot, excellent camera work as usual. You know, I don't do Hollywood productions. I just do this to get the point across to you guys and gals. So, yeah, get my tape out. Lock it. All right, so from hook to hook, it's fully extended. There is an adjustment there. It's fully extended. From hook to hook, this is going to be 68 inches, say 74 inches. This doesn't have feet on it, but divide 74 by 12, and that'll give you how many feet it is. It's 72. I think it's 6 feet. 60, 2 sixes is 60, 5 12s is 60 inches. So this is 6 12s. So I think this is 6 feet. All right, let's just leave that right there. And what I'm doing, this Dynabrake is supposed to stay raveled up, and then when you take a fall, it unwraps and it gives you some cushion. It's not like a bungee or anything like that, but it gives you some cushioning just from the give of the nylon, I suppose. It says it's a shock absorber. Anyway, I don't want to use it that way at all, so I'm just opening it up to see if it's a little longer. I would like maybe 6.5 or 7 feet. So let's see. So the way this works, and somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but it looks like as you fall and your weight comes onto this, it has to rip through the stitching on this green part. I think the stitching on the yellow part is probably meant to be permanent, and that right there is meant to be permanent. But this stitching here looks like lesser thread maybe. So I'm going to actually have to cut through all this stitching to extend it. So rather than do that, I'm just going to measure it out and see what it's going to be. So right there is going to be about 3.5 feet right there. And then if I extend this, let's see, it looks like it's going to be another 3.5 feet maybe. Hold on. So that's about 40 and 2 times 18. So 40 and 36. 76. So it looks like, I'll be a son of a gun, it looks like it would be about, a foot, 6 inches to a foot longer. So it may actually be worth my while to spend the time to cut all this stuff open, and then I'd have one that's just a little bit longer, which is what I want. All right, I'm not going to bore you with me taking that stitching apart, but anyway, that would be the whole point of me disassembling it, and I'm using it the wrong way, so I know that I'm using it the wrong way, but I just wanted to get something that was a little bit longer, and that's going to do it. So I am going to do that, and I'll use it on my next climb, but for right now I've got some palm trees to trim. So Froggy out. Be safe, have fun. Ring the bell if you want notification, and I will see you. Bye bye. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.